Let's try and see if we can get this tire inflated. There we go. She popped out like she was supposed to and just didn't catch fire. Use my little rigid air pump, put some air to it, and we got the bead set now. I still got a little ways to go. We got 27 psi in there now. I took the jack out. It worked out pretty good. That method works out great in a pinch. You just got to be careful with it. Obviously, you're lighting something on fire that probably shouldn't be set on fire. I have a water bottle or a fire extinguisher nearby, just in case you catch leaves on fire, tire starts catch on fire for some reason, if you have oil, diesel fuel or something on your tire. But stay tuned for more helpful tips and reviews. We're going to have a review on this rigid pump coming up. It's pretty handy. It's got an auto setting that you can set the pressure. Gets it pretty close, but we're going to test it out, compare it with a gauge to what this gauge says. See you on the next one.